Now in this video I am going to explain about the properties of multiplication of integer. Properties of multiplication. In this multiplication, there are three properties: commutative, associative, and distributive property. So one by one I will explain. First property is commutative property. The second is associative. Associative property. And the third is distributive property. The third is, now there are three properties: commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. So first property is commutative property, as we have studied in properties of addition. The same property is commutative and associative. One is extra in multiplication, that is distributive property. Suppose A into B equals to B into A. So what is use of these properties? Commutative, associative, or distributive? What is use? It makes the multiplication easier for you. Suppose that, for example, A is 5 and B is 6, then it will be that A is 5 into B 6 equals to B will be 6, A will be 5. When you will multiply, you will get the same result. 5 6 are 30 and 6 5 are 30. In lower class, when we were asking the table from the children of 5, they were easily able to answer 5 6 are 30. But when we ask 6 5 are, they will be unable to answer what will be the multiplication of 6 5 are. But they know the answer 5 6 are 30. But they don't know that 6 5 is also 30. So here we can understand. Now these were all the positive integers. Now I am taking some negative integers. Suppose A is minus 5 and B is plus 6. So then here it will be A into B equals to B into A. So A is what? Minus 5. Minus 5 into B. B is 6. Here B will be what? 6 into A. A is minus 5. So it will be minus 5. 5 6 are 30. The answer will be 30. But whether it will be in positive or negative. So in multiplication sign, I have taught you in the first video. In the second video about the sign of integers, how to use it. In multiplication, minus plus minus. Here is minus 5 plus 6. So the answer will be minus in the minus. Here you have no need to look after which is greater or which is smaller. Here the minus plus minus. 6 5 ja 30. Here also plus minus minus. Now I am going to take another example that all the integers are negative. Here are the positives. Here is negative and positive. Now all the integers are negative. Suppose that a equals to minus 3, b equals to minus 6. Then what will be the answer? A into b equals to b into a. So minus 3 into minus 6 equals to b will be minus 6 into minus 3. How do we solve? 3 6 are 18. Now which sign we will put over here? Minus minus plus. Minus minus equals to plus. So here will be plus 18. Here will be also 6 3s are 18. Minus minus plus. So it will be plus 18. Clear? Now about the associative properties. If you dot from here, it will be visible how I have solved you. Now about the associative properties. Let's take A plus B into B into C equals to B into C into A. You can put over anywhere. Means you can multiply from any number, either from A to B or B to C, or first B to C again then to A. Here let's take an example. Suppose the same here A equals to 5, B equals to 3, C equals to 4. So what will be the, now here A is what? 5. So 5 into B is 3, into B into C 4. So I put here bracket equals to B is what? 3 into C is 4 into A is 5. You can place over with any number in multiplication, the result will be same. So first according to bracket you will multiply 5 into 3. 3 4 are 12. Here 3 is here 4 5 are 20. Now you will multiply 5 12 are 60. Here will be the answer 23 are 60. Why if you have paid attention, then you may see that I have read the table that 23 are. Why? Because to read the 3 in 20 times, it will take more time to read, and it is easy to multiply from 20 into 3. So I read the table 23 are 60. Like this, it helps in the multiplication. Here was all about the positive signs. Now subtract the negative integers. A equals to 5, B equals to minus 3, C equals to minus 4. Now the same way, A into B into C equals to B into C into A. A is what? Plus 5 into B is what? Minus 3. C is what? Minus 4 into minus 4. We will put here big bracket. Now B is what? Minus 4. C is what? Sorry, B is minus 3. Minus 3. C is minus 4 into A. A is what? 5. So here we will use the big bracket. Now we will multiply first 5 into. Now here we have to multiply 3 into 4. So 3 4s are 12. Which sign we will put over here? Here is minus, here is also minus. So minus minus plus. So it will be plus 12. Now here minus 3 into 4 5 ja 20. Which sign we will put over here? We will put over here minus, because minus plus minus. It will be minus 20. Now 12 5 ja 60. Here also 23 ja 60. Now here is minus, here is also minus, minus minus plus. It will be plus 60. The result is same. Whether we are multiplying with A into B, after that C, or C into B or A. Anyhow, if you are multiplying the 3 digits, the result will be same. Now take all the negative integers. A equals to minus 5. Suppose I am taking the same number digit. B is equal to minus 3. C is equal to minus 4. Then what will be the result? A into B into C. Now here I am going to change something, that we will multiply like A and B we have kept in a bracket. Now here A into B into C. Now BC will be in bracket. Then what will be the result? A is what? Minus 5. So we will put here minus 5. Into B is what? Minus 3. We will put here minus 3. Now put it in a big bracket. Into minus 4. Minus 4. Here minus A is minus 5. Into B is what? Minus 3. Into C is what? Minus 4. Now put this in a big bracket. Now we will solve it. First the bracket. 5 3s are 50. What will be the result? Minus minus plus. So the answer will be in plus 50. Here is into 4. Into minus 4. Again minus 5 will be here. Into, we will solve the bracket first. 3 4s are 12. It will be 12. What will be the result? Minus minus plus. Plus 12 it will. Now the next step. 15 4s are 60. We have taken the 60. Here it will be, whether it will be minus or plus, it will be minus, because 15 4s are 16 and here is plus minus, plus minus minus. Here it will be 5 into 12, the result will be 16, the product, and minus plus minus. Here is plus minus minus, minus plus also minus. So the answer is same. You may see that when two negative signs are there, to multiply, the result will be in a positive. When 3 negative signs you will multiply altogether, the answer will be in negative. Means when the even number will be there, even number means what? Of the sign, even sign. Suppose here is what? 1 minus and next other number is also minus. It means 2 minus are there. So 2 minus means that 2 is what? Even number. So the result will be in a plus. When there will be 3 minus sign, it means it is in a odd. Then the result will be in negative. When it will be 4 negative signs, then the result will be in positive. When there will be 5 negative sign, it will be, the answer will be in negative. So when there will be number of negative signs in an odd, the answer will be always in negative. When the signs are in positive, in suppose 2, there are 2 minus signs, there are 4 minus signs, there are 6 minus signs, there are 8 minus signs, 10 minus sign, 100 minus sign, it will be always in positive. Just keep in mind, when the number of sign is in negative sign is in even number, the answer will be in positive. When the sign will be in a positive, about that, in the sign will be negative in even numbers, then it will be in positive. The result will become positive. Here it is 2 times sign, negative sign, the result is positive. The same number I have taken over here also, but here are 3 negatives, it is in odd, so the answer will be in negative. Remember. Now come to the distributive property. Now in distributive property, suppose that 98 into 36. Suppose A into B equals to B suppose here A into B plus C equals to AB into AC plus A into C. How to solve it? So let's take an example. Suppose A is 5, B is 3, C is 4. Same number I have taken here also. Suppose that A is what? 5 into B is 3 plus C is 4 equals to 5 into C is what? 4 bracket plus A is what? 5 into B. A into B, A into C. Into B is what? And A into C, it will be C is what? 4. Now we will solve it. 5. First we will solve about the bracket. So 3 plus 4, 7. Here is 5 3s are. First we will solve the bracket. 5 3s are 15 plus 5 4s are 20. Here we will solve 5 into 7. 5 7 are 35. Here we will add 15 into 20. The answer will be 35. Like this, it will help you to make it easy multiplication. let's take another example. Suppose now I'm giving some other things, not the same way. In multiplication, you can do in the same way, but I'm going to give, suppose that there is a number 98 into 36. This is the bigger number without the long multiplication. It may not be possible or easy way to multiply. So what we will do for that? We will take it 100 minus 2. We will solve it. 100 minus 2 is what? 98. So I have taken 100 minus 2. Now in 36. So it will be what? First we will multiply 36 into 100, 36 into 2. 100 into 36 minus 2 into 36. So what it will be? Easier to multiply. 36 into 100, 3600 minus 36 into 2, 72. It will, the answer will be 3000. We will subtract it. 7, 8, it will be 9 minus 7, 2, it will be 5 and 3. 3528. Suppose in multiplication, in that, suppose here is also the negative sign. We are, so I am just taking A minus 5, B equals to minus 3, C equals to minus 4. A into B plus C. We will do all the multiplication into C equals to B into C into, or arrange like that also. A into B into C. Now by putting the numbers minus 5 into minus 3 into minus 4 equals to